COVID-19 cases now at 21. Now guys, welcome back to the Salon room. Before you go any further, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button and turn on your notification bell. Now let's jump into the story. COVID-19 cases as the coronavirus now at 21. Andrew Holness announced new restrictions for salons and school closure. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has announced new measures to contain the spread of the coronavirus, for which he says is now preparing for a rapid approaching community spread. This was at a press conference at the Jamaica House on Monday, March 24th. Andrew Holness has also reported that a number of confirmed COVID-19 cases have been increased from 19 to 21. Meanwhile, Health Minister Dr Christopher Tufton said contact tracing is now being carried out for 542 people who might have been exposed to the virus. Now we'll jump into some new restrictions for salons and schools. Restriction number 1. Schools are to remain closed until the end of the Easter term. As of March 25th, public gathering should be limited to 10. The number was at 20 persons. That should tell you that this thing is getting more serious and you should be more prepared and more vigilant for what is to come. Restricted hours coming for barbers and hairdressers who must not have more than 2 people waiting in the salon at any given time. Effective Wednesday, March 25th, persons 75 years and older must stay at home for a 14 days period. Effective Wednesday, March 25th, public sector workers 65 years and older must work from home except where granted permission in a pending order. Other persons who are able to work from home must continue to do so for a further 14 days effective March 25th. Every person who enters Jamaica on and after March 18 must remain quarantined for a further 14 days with effects on March 25th. Markets will continue to be open at 6 a.m. and close at 2 p.m. Now that was all the updates held from the press conference held today on March 24th. Guys, make sure that you're being sanitized. Leave a comment below if you have any concerns about the restrictions. Also, please remember to subscribe to the Salon room where we keep you updated with everything Jamaica and Jamaicans.